Literally every single thing that I've pulled out of this box I can't pronounce, so sorry. It smells like a dessert. Like, I'm sorry, can I eat this? Oh my god, why can't my hair do that? But because, girl, you're using all this cheap crap on it. We ready. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jamie, and I create content to give you a weekly dose of inspiration so you can go ahead and take steps towards the person that you want to be in your life. Today, we are going to do an unboxing. I've just received my order from Iherb, however you say it, wherever you're from. I've been in Australia too long, so I don't really remember how it's really said, or how I used to say it, or how I say it now, but I call it Iherb, I think. Let's get into it. You guys, I haven't even opened the box yet. Like, I've had this for 3 days now and I haven't had time to open it. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just open it for the camera. So let's do it. This, unfortunately, isn't a sponsored post. So I got everything out of pocket, and it's things that I really love and I'm really excited to share with you. I got a mix of stuff in this order. It's a mix of hair stuff and also stuff that I use to help me get a better sleep because your girl needs it, okay? If you don't know, Australia has been boiling hot this weekend, so I'm gonna make me an iced coffee before we go into the front room because it is so hot in there, and then we will get into this unboxing. Oh, if I can open this. How cute is this? I know. Also, I will say that nothing pairs better with iced coffee than one of these bounce balls. This is a caramel cashew caramel, gluten-free, no refined sugar. I am addicted to these things. Go get yourself a bounce ball today, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. We ready. Let's go. We ready. I need a camera. And we're back. All right, we're back in the front room. It's actually not as hot as I thought it was going to be in here. And we about to open this baby. I'm so excited. Okay. Scissors. You think I can open them with my eyebrow scissors? No, seriously. Where's my scissors? We have obtained our scissors. Just kidding. All right, guys. So I literally just went back and stopped recording and checked the delivery times, because the thing that annoys me is when I'm watching a video and someone's taking the time to make the video, but then they don't take the time to like know all the details. Like they're like, oh yeah, it came quick, but I don't remember when it came, and I don't like. So I went back and checked for you guys. It took 2 weeks to come from California to Melbourne, Australia, and that's pretty good because deliveries within Melbourne, Australia, or Australia as a country are taking like 4 weeks right now. So the fact that this came from another country just goes to show you Australia Post needs to get their together. Okay, I'm done. Rant over. The moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. I don't know. I just love getting deliveries. It's so exciting. I recently tried out Camille Rose hair products, and I ordered them from the curlstore.com, which is an Australian store. Curlstore is great, but it doesn't have as much variety as Iherb, and I think that it ended up being more expensive ordering it from a place in Australia than in the US, which doesn't make sense to me at all, but I don't know how it works. I just order the products, okay? But I noticed that Iherb had a lot more variety, so I got to try a couple of new things because I was all out of the almond jai. Oh my god, obsessed. My hair is obsessed with this stuff. As you can see, I still haven't thrown out the empty bottle. So I love this stuff so much. It smells amazing. Like, I want to eat it, and my hair is obsessed with it. The definition that I was like really struggling getting definition on my twist outs. The definition in my twists are amazing with this stuff. So I'm definitely going to be buying more of this, and I'm really, really excited. So the second thing that I ordered that is also a Camille Rose product is the Curl Love Moisture Milk. And this is a softening leave-in conditioning cream. And I'm really excited to see how my hair soaks this up because my hair is obsessed with the almond eye. Like I cannot tell you guys enough. I was just like, girl. Cause I'm gonna be honest, I was using a lot of the cheap stuff on my hair. And then I was like, oh, why is my hair not working with me? You know what I mean? Like, you need to sometimes invest if you want the quality. You know, I was like comparing to why can't my hair do that? Oh my God, why can't my hair do that? But because, girl, you're using all this cheap crap on it. So, I decided I'm gonna treat my hair to some good stuff, and it answered. So, I'm really excited. I'm really excited for this one. I just washed my hair yesterday, so I'm a little bummed because I really wanted to use it. So excited to smell this because all their products just smell so good. It smells like a dessert. Like, I'm sorry, can I eat this? Camille Rose, if you guys want to come out with like a pastry shop, I'll be there. This is a styling butter and this is a leave-in cream. So I'm not really sure like what's the difference 100%, but I'm gonna try them and I'm gonna love them. I already know it. I already know I'm gonna go back and stock up on more twisting butter in my next order. So we'll see how we go with this moisture milk leave-in cream. I might be stocking up on that as well. What I love about Camille Rose products as well is like they're all natural and like they smell like real ingredients. You know what I mean? It doesn't smell like that chemically smell. It's like, oh my God, am I putting almond butter in my hair? It's like macadamia, vanilla deliciousness. Like you want to eat it. It smells so good. They have so many other products that I really want to try. So I might just do a haul that is just all Camille Rose products to see how it responds on my hair. Because I think that's something that I really struggle with as well. Like finding people with my hair texture on YouTube that use products that are available to me. Like when I lived in the US, I had access to all the hair products. Like I'll watch a video and I'm like, oh my God, that girl has hair like me. And then she's like, yeah, use this. And I'm like, well, where the hell am I supposed to get that? You know what I mean? So it's like, it can be such a struggle living on the other side of the world sometimes. And then I got this jojoba oil. Iherb. Jojoba. I don't know, man. I don't know why I got all these things that I can't pronounce. I've really been wanting to try different oils out in my hair that aren't as heavy as the Jamaican castor oil. I really love that the Camille Rose one, this one has macadamia oil in it. And then I got myself some jojoba oil. And I didn't honestly realize how expensive this stuff could be. I saw a bottle here in Australia for like $30 and it was like this big. And I was like, I'm sorry, I will not participate in this ripoff. Those are the 3 hair products that I got in this haul. The rest of the box is all the same thing. And that is my Sleepytime tea. If you're in the US, you probably see Celestial Seasonings everywhere. Like at my local grocery store, my market basket near my parents' house, they have all the Celestial Seasonings and they're so cheap and they're not cheap here. They have the green Sleepytime one with the little bear on it, but like that one doesn't really do anything for me. That's just like a nice tea to have at night that's like peppermint tea or whatever. Now this, when I first tried this, I was like, what? What have we done here? When they said extra, read all about it because this tea is bomb. No, seriously, this is a caffeine-free tea, but it also has valerian in it. I can't pronounce things. Why can't I pronounce it? Literally every single thing that I've pulled out of this box I can't pronounce, so sorry. Valerian, I think it's valerian. I'm pretty sure it's valerian. So this has valerian in it. Valerian's like a plant and it's like has calming properties and helps promote relaxation. So I find that this compared to the Sleepytime green normal one is like, it knocks it out of the park. Like I literally bought a box of it. Like if that doesn't speak volume, I literally shipped this in from the US and I have it like an hour before bed. You know, while I'm chilling, I'm all relaxed and I'm like, oh girl, I'm gonna get some good sleep tonight. And I do. So I ran out. I was down to my last box. It's like, has 20 boxes in a bag. 20 bags in a box. They do sometimes have boxes that you can get 40 bags in a box. I was down to my last box of these and I knew I had to get more. And I was like, yeah, I'll do it. And I knew that it had to come from the US. And I took my sweet time and then I had 1 bag left and I was like, no! I finally got them restocked, so I have 6 boxes. So I'm probably gonna have to place another order pretty soon just so I can like stay stocked up, you know what I mean? We're not running out of this again. It really just helps me get into that calming state that I feel sleepy. You know what I mean? Because I'm the type of person that like I'll lay in bed and my thoughts will go. So I find that this is a good part of my sleep routine. I've done a whole revamp of my sleep routine over the years. So I go to bed earlier, set an alarm that notifies me when it's bedtime so that I can brush my teeth, get ready and be in bed and screens off and all that kind of stuff. I've just revamped my whole like winding down routine at the end of the day to give myself the best chance, because the older I get, the more I realize it is not worth staying up late so that I can wake up cranky and I'm miserable all day. It's just not worth it. There's not enough cups of coffee in the world that will get me through a day where I haven't had enough sleep. So sleep is a really big priority for me, if you haven't realized that. And it tastes good. Like, okay, a big thing for me was like, I need it to taste good, because of course there's other Sleepytime teas out there, you know what I mean? But this one, I really love the taste. Yeah, so it has like a spearmint taste. A lot of the sleep teas that I see out there have licorice in them, and that black licorice taste. And I'm just like, like so gross. And I'm just like, okay, I don't need sleep that bad. Like I do, but I need to enjoy the process. I'm so big on this. If you don't enjoy it, you're not gonna stick to it. I'll say it again. If you don't enjoy it, you're not gonna stick to it. Like I say this with everything, with diets, with fitness routines, with any change that you're gonna make. If you're not enjoying it, you're not gonna stick to it. So do the work, find the things that you like, that you actually love and enjoy and look forward to, because then you're gonna stick to it. We all know that consistency is the key to anything. And now this unboxing wasn't supposed to turn into one of my motivational talks, but you get what you get. So yeah, that's it. I'm really excited for this. Like, I don't feel like I bought anything that's like, wow, crazy, but I'm excited for it, and I just wanted to share that. Definitely check this stuff out. I will leave a description and the link for all of it. Like I said, this video isn't sponsored. It's just stuff that I'm loving right now, and I wanted to share that with you. I will place another order and I will share that with you guys. I think I'll do a review of these 3. Thank you for tuning in to my unboxing. Until next time. This was my very first unboxing, so if it was all over the place, I'm sorry. This is what you're gonna get from this channel, honestly. Let me know if you like this video by hitting that like button below, and if you haven't already, you probably should subscribe if you are enjoying your time around here, just saying. If you are someone that's looking for some motivation or inspiration in your life, you might find some value from some of my previous videos, so go check those out, and I would love to hear what you think. If you're enjoying my content here, definitely check me out over on Instagram so you can keep up with me in real time, and I will see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Sometimes happiness comes from a box, and that's okay. If happiness is in a box, it can still make your day. Honestly, who let me have a YouTube channel? This is out of control. My room is a mess. No, but seriously, don't forget to subscribe.